5 simple steps to convert your 401k to a silver IRA. Hi and welcome. I'm Georgia from GoldIRA.rolloverguide.net. A 401k rollover into a silver IRA is an increasingly popular strategy for those seeking to diversify their retirement savings beyond traditional stocks and bonds. By shifting funds from a standard 401k into a self-directed IRA backed by silver, investors are looking to secure a portion of their assets with a tangible, inflation-resistant investment. What is a 401k rollover? A 401k rollover occurs when funds are transferred from an employer-sponsored retirement account into a new or existing IRA. This transfer allows retirees and workers to maintain tax-deferred status on their savings while gaining more control over their investment options. A silver IRA, in particular, is a type of self-directed IRA that enables account holders to invest in physical silver or other precious metals. There are 2 types of rollovers. The first is a direct rollover. The funds are transferred directly from the 401k plan to the IRA custodian, helping avoid any taxes or penalties that might otherwise apply. The second type of rollover is an indirect rollover. In this case, you receive the funds and are responsible for depositing them into the new IRA within 60 days to maintain tax-deferred status. This option involves more risk due to possible taxes and penalties if the timeline isn't strictly followed. By choosing a silver IRA, investors can add a tangible, often more stable asset to their portfolio, a potential safeguard against market volatility and economic instability. Now here are the 5 easy steps to execute a 401k rollover to a precious metals IRA. 1. Research custodians. Look for custodians with solid reputations, reasonable fees, and transparent policies. Check for any storage or management fees that might apply. We have put some of our top recommendations below the video. You can also see our complete list at our website at GoldenCrestMetals.net. 2. Select your custodian. Once you find a trustworthy custodian, establish your new silver IRA account with them to initiate the transfer. Here are our top custodians below. 3. Contact your 401k provider. Inform your current 401k administrator about your plan to roll over the funds. They'll guide you on specific paperwork and processing times. 4. Initiate the transfer. Once you open a silver IRA account, your custodian will assist with the direct rollover, ensuring the funds transfer smoothly without tax penalties. 5. Purchase silver. After the funds are successfully deposited into your new account, the custodian can help you acquire silver or other precious metals. Make sure you know the types of silver coins or bars allowed under IRS regulations. Your custodian will help in the process, and that's how simple it is. GoldenCrest Metals is a top choice for physical gold as well as gold IRAs. They can help you get the information you need to help you get started. They are highly rated by their clients and all about transparency and customer service. To get your free gold guide and learn about how you can get up to $25,000 in free silver with a qualified purchase, please see the link under the video or go to goldencrest.info now to request the offer. This is a limited time offer, so don't wait. Request your gold guide now and access to up to $25,000 in free silver with qualifying purchase by going to the link below the video or goldencrest.info now. You'll be glad you did. Thanks so much for watching and good luck in your financial endeavors.
Learn how to protect yourself with precious metals now. Request your free info kit now from GoldenCrest Metals. Just click below the video in the description or the button to request your free kit now. Don't wait. Do it now.